Hey guys, it's Ayana, lifeandstyleafter40.com. I am on step 2 of my nightly skin regimen. I'm going to do a quick wash, but I wanted to talk about my Lenor detoxifying charcoal mask. This has 3 earth clays and activated charcoal. It is the best. I'm going to do a quick face wash and then I'm going to apply. So stay tuned. Hey, I'm on part 2. This is actually my brightening facial wash cleanser. I have a lot of different ones that I like to use, and you can check the blog where I talk about facial cleansers and products that I really like. This one is a brightener, and I have probably T-zone issues, and so I like this cleanser because it has like a drying. It dries out a lot of the oil. So for all you oily skin girls, try this product. It's on Amazon. You can pick it up really from anywhere. The first step was the Best Damn Beauty makeup remover. And I got this cute headband from Amazon. So I just want to get in the skin. Add a little water to my hands. I'm gonna rinse and then I'll be back. Hey, I'm back with step 3 of my nightly skin regimen. I am using my Lenor detoxifying charcoal mask. It has 3 earth clays and activated charcoal. I actually love this product. I wanted to come up with something for super oily skin. It's good for oily skin. It's good for anyone. And tonight I'm just going to do a T-zone mask. I have issues with my T-zone. It gets really bad, super oily. And so I bought these little things from Amazon, which I love. You can do a full makeup mask, or you can just do your T-zone area. Totally up to you, but tonight I'm only doing my T-zone. I'm gonna leave it on for about 10 to 20 minutes. And after I leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes, then I'm gonna come back and wash it off. After I apply, I really like to just get in there and massage it in the skin. It goes on really smooth. It has a really nice scent. I'm gonna let it dry and then I'll come back. There you go, T-zone mask. Hey guys, so I've already started adding the mask on. I'm gonna go ahead and do a full mask. At first I was thinking I'm just gonna do a T-zone, but because I had on really heavy makeup this weekend, I'm gonna do a full on mask. So I'm just gonna add more here and massage it in. I love charcoal mask. A lot of people think that it's hype, but I love it. I do use some of the Indian earth clays mask as an alternate. I do like to use different products. Just depends on like what my skin is doing or like weather, season. All right, and we're good. See, I'm almost done with my Lenor detoxifying charcoal mask. It's a brand new product available on ayanabeauty.com. It smells amazing. And the charcoal mask is 3 earth clays. It's a little hard for me to talk right now because everything's drying. But I'm gonna wash this off and then we'll talk about the next step. The next step I'm going to do is my eye corrector routine, and this is Mademoiselle LeBlanc Eye Corrector, and we'll be applying that right after the mask. So I'm gonna wash my face and I'll be back. It's been about 10 minutes since I applied the Mademoiselle 3 Earth Clay mask. It feels really good. It's dry. I started out with like a T-zone mask, and then I decided to go full on because I've been wearing really heavy makeup this weekend. So I'm gonna rinse it off with warm water, and then we'll start the next phase of the my nightly skin regimen with the eye corrector, the LeBlanc by Mademoiselle, the eye corrector. The rinse is off really easy. Your sink will look a mess, but it's natural. It's totally vegan. You don't have to worry about anything staining. I just wanted to get it really moist before I go in and rub it off. And the thing about this product is that you really don't have to use a lot. Preserve it. All right, I'm gonna rinse it out. All right, and that's done. I'm just gonna put a warm towel. Feels so good. So refreshing. I can't even tell you. I love doing masks, especially after wearing heavy makeup. Your skin really needs it. Even if you don't wear makeup, your skin needs a detox. You can use it 2 to 3 times a week. I'm using it probably twice a week, 3 times if I'm wearing heavy makeup, or just really depends on the seasons. I feel like my skin needs a detox when the seasons change. So going from, you know, summer to fall, I definitely saw my skin drying out, and I felt like it needed a really good detox. So I'm going to start with the LeBlanc, the Mademoiselle, and you only need about 2 to 3 drops. Less is more. It's a really super concentrated product, so you don't have to use a lot. It will last you a really long time if you only use 2 to 3 pumps. And I'm just putting this in my eye area right before bed. You can use it for your day and your night routine. I like to really get into like the corners and even here, because I have a lot of smile lines and crow's feet. So just trying to preserve my beauty, preserve my skin. I definitely don't want to go into my 50s with terrible skin. Smells really good. Really smooth formula. Again, vegan, cruelty-free, never tested on animals. And it's available at ayanabeauty.com. All right, thanks for joining my nightly skin regimen, and I will see you on the next chat.